Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing into your Google account. Once done, give the app permission to access files so it can create a local folder. Make sure your computer meets the OS and storage requirements. This avoids sync failures later. After installation completes, you'll see the Drive icon in the system tray or menu bar. From here, click that icon to continue. This is where you choose how cloud folders map to your desktop. Once the app is open, choose between streaming files to save space or mirroring for offline access. Streaming shows files on demand, while mirroring keeps copies locally. Next, click Preferences and pick the My Drive folders you want on your desktop, selecting specific folders to avoid clutter. Make sure you set the local folder path if you prefer a custom desktop subfolder. This makes it easier to create a desktop shortcut later. Confirm and let Drive start the initial sync so files appear locally. To finish, open File Explorer or Finder, navigate to the local Google Drive folder you configured, then right-click and create a desktop shortcut or alias for instant access. Once created, double-check sync status on the Drive icon. It should say up to date. If files don't appear, make sure the Drive app is running, your internet is stable, and the selected folders are enabled. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the Drive for desktop app or sign out and back in to resolve common sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.